Hey, it's your girl, All Things Tori. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Hey y'all, what's up? What's poppin'? I mean, obviously, I'm not holding the camera by my hand anymore like I normally do. And it's not on a tripod because, well, it's not on a ring light because it's moving. Can y'all guess what I have? Can y'all guess? Can y'all guess? And it was only $11. I love it because now I can actually vlog. Like, you know what I'm saying? I can actually vlog. But okay, enough of all the boring talk. Alright, so this is just going to be random. I'm going to keep the content coming. I feel like I say that all the time. But seriously, I'm oily right now. Really? What? But yeah, so basically I'm going to open up my ring light and my green screen that I got, that I've been hesitant to open. I had it probably for like 2 weeks now, and I really need to open them. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. And y'all gonna cook chicken with me. And what are we doing? Like a chicken Alfredo type dish. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Oh, and I forgot, where's my hair? Well, I don't got it with me right now, and I don't feel like looking for it. I might show y'all later in the vlog. But let's try something different. Hold on. So yeah, let's see. Can y'all see me now? Is that me? They're gonna see. No, it's supposed to be. I'm trying to get used to this. Y'all forgive me. Do it come back? No, it don't. One second. Okay, so I think that this is working better. Do I look too bright, y'all? I don't know. I feel like I do. I don't know why I got that bright, but yeah, so this is what we're giving. And now I feel like a true vlogger. I just gotta try to keep myself in view. That's why I'm practicing in front of a mirror, because I promise you guys, this is harder than it looks. But once I get the hang of it, I got y'all. So I think I'm gonna hold it like this. Boom, I think I got it. Yeah, so y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe or whatever. We're gonna keep the vlogs coming. Like I told y'all, I'm trying to get better with it. And yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be cooking chicken Alfredo. We're gonna open my ring light and my green screen, and whatever else I decide to do today, that's what y'all gonna do with me. Plus, I'm also supposed to record a workout rainbow outfit haul. So I had picked up some pieces because I am working out, as you guys know. I think y'all saw my last video. Was it a couple of months ago? Yeah, I think it was a couple of weeks ago, a couple of months ago, but I want to say a couple of months ago, where I had showed y'all how much I weighed. Yes, I have gained weight since, because Tori just likes to eat whatever she wants to eat, but I'm getting older and I know I have to control that. So yeah, we're gonna be working on that. And the Vicks Rub challenge, is 7-day challenge, is coming up. I'm gonna be doing that as well, so I'll take y'all on a journey with me. Y'all know that I am. Who would I be if I didn't? But yeah, y'all like my feet? Let me see if I can show y'all. That's one thing. Oh, my phone better not fall. It better not fall. But yeah, that's what we're giving. There I am. Yeah, I'm trying to get better with this. This fupa gotta go. So I'm gonna be showing y'all all the things I'll be doing. And I know I asked y'all on my Instagram, which is a good pre-workout. And I know one of y'all has said fiber slam, something like that. I don't remember what y'all said. I just can't think of a word for word right now. My brain is not working, per usual. But yeah, y'all, I'm tired of this hair. I'm ready to let it go. But yeah, join us for a game, get it to 2K, and come on this little vloggy vlog with me or whatever. I'm gonna prop y'all somewhere and sit y'all in. But come on, let's go, let's go. Okay, y'all, so hopefully I am in view. I be having shit everywhere, y'all, I'm sorry. Oh, woo. So guys, this is the new addition to the family of my electronics. I don't think I've never been an electronic person until I got. Yeah, y'all. So, like I was saying, here we go. I'm so excited. I was gonna make a separate video about it, but I don't feel like I need to. Maybe I will show y'all like how, like a review on it, how it was. But for right now, I'm just gonna whip it out, and we're gonna talk about like, oh my gosh, it's Frosty Sizzle. You know, like when you a YouTuber and you send somewhere, you do not want to hear us on there. You like it's it. Yeah, so I spent a little extra money this time. This time I increased my habit. I really feel like I was meant to be a YouTuber, so I went in extra with myself this time. The last year I had got me a tripod. A light stand or a ring light, whatever you want to call it. You know, I was like, it's whatever. I don't really need to spend that much money, but for this time, I was like, you know what? How does this work? And y'all gonna know what this ring light is once I put it in the description, cause I will. But give me a second, y'all, cause I'm trying to put the legs together. And whatever. So that's how we sign it up? Okay, I think I'm doing it right. Somebody tell me something. I'm not the type of girl that read directions. Why did it look weird like that? So I guess you can, okay, do it how you want to. What does this hold? Oh, okay. It's a little different from my last sharp iron. Why am I out of breath? Woo! This baby, how you get us? Let's see. I like this one though because I can twist it and it doesn't. Yeah, I'm not gonna do too much on in this video. Like I said, I'll do a review for it later. Or whatever. Or I might cut some clips out. That's why I can't wait till I get the camera. That's the next thing. Y'all get pretty tall though. It get pretty tall. I'm not reading directions. I'm telling you, don't laugh at me. So it comes with this thingamajigger as well. I don't know what this is. And it comes with this thingamajigger as well. Don't know what it is. Just go look it up on Amazon and you can get it for yourself. Yeah, so just get it from Amazon. I'll link it. Y'all can check it out yourself. I don't know the name of all these little pieces that come with it. Oh my God. And this baby come with a case too. Lord, it's biting me, bro. I feel so professional. It's Neewer again. Oh, I just love these products. I don't think what's my other one Neewer? I don't know. I have to go back to one of my YouTube videos and check to see what it was. But this baby was $100, I think. Or $120, one of the two. Like I said, I'll link it below. But yeah, she come with her own bag, baby. I feel like, you know, like I'm doing something. Oh, she's big and it stinks. Wow. Okay, yeah, this one is totally bigger. Totally bigger than, yeah, she's totally bigger than the other one I had. Yeah. This one is definitely bigger. It's heavier. So. So I know what this is. My phone going here. So I know what this is. The little stretchy thing or whatever. They need to make these things bigger, because I swear, I do not want to take the case on my phone. So this particular ring light comes with these. I guess this is like the cover of the light because they say it's so bright. So it comes with 4 white panels, clear panels, however you want to say. And it also orange petals as well. And this big ass thing. This is definitely different. I wonder, 2 separate pieces, y'all. Okay, now I'm just all types of confused. Cause baby, what do you go into? Y'all, this is a shame. I'm really trying not to read directions. Like, I really don't want to, but at this point, baby, let me take this instruction book out. I'm gonna just listen and, you know, do what they tell me, because this is how people don't tell me stuff. So they basically want me to, you know, put it all around, so that's what I'm gonna do. Hey y'all, so I am back. I hope I'm a view. So y'all, vlog is harder than it looks. Especially some of the tricks that I'm learning. Bro, vlogging is not for the weak. So we finally have my, wanna see her? Y'all will hear me say, make sure that I'm gonna view a lot. That's she's really tall, y'all. Excuse me to my floor. But that came from putting her together. But yeah, she's very tall. So it came with the extra panels that's there on the floor. What else? Yeah, so that's her in all of her glory. And these are finna go in the garbage. But yeah. So these with the orange panels. So I'm just gonna turn it on for y'all with the orange panels, and y'all can see what she's giving. I'm gonna change it to the white panels later. But I do not feel like doing it right now. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Wow. So she gets really bright. I have to turn my head away. I almost killed myself. But yeah, as y'all can see, she's giving brights. And I don't wanna run y'all. So yeah. I don't know, but is it giving orange bright? It's giving orange bright, right? Because I don't want to be orange in my videos. I don't know. A lot of people use the white one. She's bright, bro. Like, bright for real. I would never get up close to this thing. And that's on her highest setting, so I could just imagine. What the hell? I could just imagine what she'll be in white. Like, I could just imagine. How do I look orange? How do I look? But yeah, so that's her. That's what she's giving. That's what we're giving. Let me put y'all through her. How I keep stepping on stuff. This is what we're giving. Orange panels though, like I said. So now I'm gonna get ready to open my green screen and I'll be back with y'all.
Hey y'all, so I had to screen record this, or voice record this rather. So I'm back. On the side, I'm going to leave the seasons that I use. There I have my sparkling ice water lemonade because it has 0 sugar and barely any calories. I think it's just 5 calories. And I'm also going to be making a chicken Alfredo. My favorite easy to go meal is by Veterans. I love them. Oh, you got to try it. It has like the little chicken in it, and their chicken tastes real.
Okay, y'all, so obviously I want to bed. Whatever, I'm tired. But yeah, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to review what I made for dinner tonight. Are you guys ready to see? This is what was made. So I made some chicken. Let's see. So yeah, so this was what was made. I made some chicken and some Alfredo. And the reason why I'm in the bathroom is all the other lights are turned off. And I had to do this so y'all can see. Because I don't wake nobody up in the house. That's the only reason why I'm in here. But as soon as I get out of this video, I'm going in the room with my food. Where cemetery. My bathroom in public anyway is clean. But I'm not going to use my bathroom. Anywho, like I said, that's what I came out with. chicken Alfredo, and y'all see that I sauteed the mushrooms on top. And I got my little drink. And anyways, I'll see y'all later. Bye.